Yes, ma'am. So,
Yes,
good
ma'am.
morning. Now, today we
Ma'am,
are going to revise. Lamha, keep your mic off. Any personal
I
query, we
haven't.
solve it. Any what issue?
Yeah, ma'am, I was telling that, ma'am, day before yesterday on Monday, we were having a CT, right? But ma'am, I was not present over there.
Personal problem, I will solve it after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
So, today we are going to revise about the interest. Now, please raise your hand. Who will tell me what do you mean by the word interest? Yes, Ayush. Can you explain what do you mean by the word interest?
Ma'am, interest means the extra money. I can tell you with the example.
Yeah, please.
Like I want to I want to buy a bike
Hmm.
and it's of 2,000 rupees, but I
Yes.
don't have that much money to buy the bike.
Okay.
I
Kevna,
take
wait a
a
minute. Ayush, wait a minute. Kevna, everyone, please keep your mobiles or laptops stable. Yes.
and I take a loan of 2,000
Can you
from
please
bank.
explain the word loan also?
Uh, Loan is the amount taken from the bank or from the money lender. The
Okay.
loan we need to buy something or to do something is called loan.
Yes. Loan is
And
the amount which we promise to pay after in future we have to pay, right? That is the loan we can take from friend also, from money lender also, from bank also, from
yes,
anyone we can take a loan. The word loan adds because we are going to repay it in the future. If we don't repay it in the future, that is not the loan, right? If we
yes,
are repaying it in the future the same amount, so it is a loan. Or loan can be taken from the friend also, loan can be taken from the money lender also. Anushka, keep your hand down, keep your hands down, children. Put your hands down. Yes. So loan can be taken from any person, but we have to repay it, then it is a loan. Am I clear?
yes.
Yes. Yes,
And ma'am,
Ayush.
I take a loan from bank
Vihan, keep your hand down.
of 2,000,
Yes.
and then bank says that you have to repay me 2,500.
Yes.
500
So,
is the
wait,
extra
Ayush, I will write on the board also. Ayush says he has taken a loan of rupees 2000, and after some time he will pay some interest on it. But he don't know how much interest he has to pay. He said that he has to pay the total amount, right? Total amount 2500. Now, yes, Ayush, can you tell me what is the amount of interest is included in this?
Ma'am, 500, because if I subtract 2,000 from 2,500, the answer is 500, which will be the
So,
interest.
what is the formula of calculating the interest?
The form,
Farzan?
sir, ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
The formula of calculating interest is amount minus loan.
Interest is amount
Minus
minus, it is called
loan.
loan also, and it is called the principal price also. Principal price is the exact price, borrowed amount, right? What is the
Yes, yes.
principal means? Is a borrowed amount.
Amount.
So amount minus, when you do the principal, you will get the
Interest.
interest. Yes, Arav, can you give me one more example?
Yes.
Yeah, how to find the interest, how to calculate the interest. Can you give me one example to find the interest? Dhairya, will you
Yes,
try?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, yes.
I will come back to you, Arav. Just think, I will come back. Yes, Dhairya.
Yeah, ma'am, of profit or loss.
No, this is not a profit and loss. This is about the,
Oh, sorry, interest.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
If example, I bought a car or I took a loan
yes.
of around 2 lakhs. Okay,
Okay.
and then I need to buy. No, ma'am, not 2 lakhs. 200, and then that is my loan I took. Okay,
Okay, you
so
took
then
200, right?
yeah,
So
200.
how much amount you borrowed?
Amount I borrowed is 200, and
200. So
the
that the amount which you borrowed is called as what?
principal.
Yes, principal amount. So principal is 200, right? Rupees 200. And
Yeah, and the bank, and when I will give the money back to the bank,
yeah,
that
that is the
is
amount you are
200,
giving back is rupees
250.
250. Now,
So, my interest is
yes,
50 rupees.
very good. So how I will put the formula for finding the interest?
Write interest, then subtract principal and amount, you will get the answer.
So I will write amount first or I will write principal first?
First principal. No,
Principal.
first amount.
Yes, bigger is the amount. So we write first amount. My board is clearly visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Amount minus
Yes, ma'am.
principal
Yeah, ma'am, it is clearly visible.
is equals
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
interest. So 250 minus 200 is
50,
equals to
ma'am.
rupees 50 is the interest. Yes, Lama, can you give me one example how to find the interest? Lamha, I'm talking to you. Can you give me one example how to find the interest?
Yeah, ma'am.
I will come back to you all.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes,
ma'am,
Lamha.
if I want to buy a pouch,
Yes.
okay, which is of 150 rupees.
Hmm.
No, sorry, which is of 100 rupees.
Okay. So the
Uh,
principal amount is 100 rupees
yes.
that you have taken as a loan
Yes.
because you don't have with you amount 100 rupees.
Yeah.
You have taken a loan.
Yeah.
So now you have taken from whom? The amount 100 rupees loan.
Bank.
Okay. So now you paying how
Yeah,
much
ma'am.
amount?
I have to pay the 10% of interest.
The percentage we will come later on. You give me the exact amount.
Ma'am, 150 rupees.
Okay. You are paying 150 rupees to the bank after
Yeah.
some time. Okay. So now, what is the formula of calculating the interest?
Ma'am, the formula first we have to.
No, Devyosha, you're not writing, you just revise it. Just look here, explain, give your examples to me. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, first we have to subtract the amount from the interest.
amount from the interest. Interest you
Oh,
have to calculate.
principal.
Principal will be subtracted from what?
Amount.
Yes. The amount which you are paying after some time is naturally a bigger one because in that interest is included. Now, if you have 150 as an amount, when you subtract the principal 100 rupees, you will get the rupees 50 as the interest. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Gunav Gura. Gunav.
Ma'am, next.
Gunav, can you give me one example? Switch on your camera. Switch on your camera, Gunav. Kunav, be ready. I will come back to you again. Arav, are you ready with the example?
Ma'am, I want to tell.
Yes,
I am
Arav.
ready.
Yes, Arav. Please switch on your mic and tell me the example.
I want to buy a laptop
Okay.
of 100 rupees.
Give me some bigger amounts now.
36,000 rupees.
Okay. So you want to buy the 36,000 rupees a laptop, right? But you have
But I have 10
you are
26
taking a loan. You don't have 36,000 rupees with you. Yes.
Yes.
So you have to take a loan from the bank.
Yes.
Okay. So bank will charge some interest. And bank says that after some time you have to pay this much amount. Can you tell me what you have to pay the amount after some time? Guess any amount.
10,000.
No. 10,000. How you will pay the less amount? Amount is always includes the interest plus principal. Okay, give me the bigger amount, bigger than this, which includes the interest.
46,000.
46,000. Okay, I will write rupees 46,000. He says he has to pay to the bank after some time. So what is the interest which is included in this amount? Can you find out what is the interest?
10,000.
Very good. So we will minus amount minus principal is, I'll write short form for the P. Amount is 46,000 minus 36,000. You will get rupees 10,000 as the interest. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, miss.
So yes, Anya,
Yes,
Mittal,
ma'am.
can you give me only the formula how to find the interest when you have amount, you have the principal.
Ma'am, suppose principal is of 40,000 and
Okay.
then banker say amount 46,000.
Okay. So what will be the interest?
So, ma'am, we have to minus amount and principal.
So what?
So, 6,000 interest.
Yes. So the formula of calculating the interest is
Amount.
interest, whatever we are calculating will come before the equal to sign. So interest equals to amount minus principal. So I will give you two examples. Please do it in your notebook now.
Ma'am, can I say examples?
See, my dear, by the time the children will write, then I will ask the examples also. Okay?
Okay. Ma'am, then
Ma'am, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I say?
Now, I will come to all the children one by one. But first, whatever I'm writing here on the board, please write.
Ma'am, which note? Ma'am, textbook or notebook?
Notebook. Find the interest. Principal equals to rupees 8,000. Amount equals to rupees 8,600. Find the interest. Second is, this is first. In this also find the interest. Second sum. Principal equals to rupees 7,800.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to store it with the full method.
Yes. Amount is equals to 8,200. Please find the interest in both the questions. No directly answers, Jahan Jariwala. You have to solve it with the formula and full method. Please write fast in your notebooks.
Ma'am, your board is somehow cutted. Only 8 and 2 is visible.
Okay, wait a minute.
Now also.
Ma'am, put your board in
Yes, ma'am,
left.
now also. Yes, ma'am.
Now?
No.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
now it's visible.
Okay,
Put a little bit. Ma'am, little bit more.
okay. Am I clear
ma'am,
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write fast in your notebooks.
Ma'am, if I have written a question and I write 8,600 minus 8,000, so it's okay?
Yes. Please write the formula also. Interest equals to amount minus principal. Children, I will switch off my camera for 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am. It is 8,000 or 80,000?
8,000.
Done, ma'am.
Renu ma'am, what's the
Okay.
second sum?
Okay, now it's visible.
Yes.
Do the second also.
Done, ma'am.
Can I raise the first one?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, do it.
Ma'am,
fast. No problem, I'm not erasing. Do it.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in the formula, can I write I is equal to A minus
yes,
B?
yes, yes. You can write. Now, those who have done, I'm asking them from the next topic, right? Those who have done, please show me thumbs up so that I will be. Yes, you are writing in your maths notebook, right, Ayush?
Same as I've
Done,
done
ma'am.
this.
Yes, yes. What happened?
Ma'am, first done.
Okay,
I'm
do
done.
the next also. Second sum. What is the answer of first?
Ma'am,
600. 600.
Oh, very good.
600.
Interest, yes, interest equals to
600.
amount minus principal equals to 8,600 minus 8,000 is rupees 600.
Ma'am, your board is blur. I can't
Okay,
see
just
anything.
a minute. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes, it will be perfect. Now it's showing clearly.
No,
Dere, you are
ma'am.
writing, my dear?
No.
Ma'am, can I say the second one? Ma'am, done.
Yes.
Ma'am, done.
Tell me the what is the
the second 400. Ma'am, 400.
Ma'am,
Okay, very
400.
good, very good. Switch off your mics. Switch off your mics.
400.
Yes, 400. Switch off your mics now. Interest equals to amount minus principal equals to 8,200 minus 7,800 equals to rupees 400. Am I clear?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
can't see your board.
Okay, just a minute. Wait for 1 or
It's
2
a
minutes.
little
It will be
bit
perfect.
blur. So blur. Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Now it's perfect.
First answer is 600 and the second answer is 400.
Ma'am, now also it's blur.
It will come, my
Again.
dear. It will go for 1 or 2 seconds and then again it will come. No worries. Okay. So here you are having the amount, you are having the principal, right? Now if I say, can I start the next topic? Next thing, how, what? Here the interest was missing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here the interest was missing. You were having amount and you were having the principal. Fine. You know that you have borrowed some amount. Please switch off your mics, everyone. Switch off your mics, everyone. Vivan Balchandani. Here, okay. Now I will erase my board.
Ma'am, no second.
Okay. Now here, you were having amount. Some amount you were having some principal. But interest, you were not having. So you were calculating by subtracting it, right? Now the second situation comes that you have amount. For example, amount is, I'm taking with the smaller numbers, then slowly we come with to the big numbers. I have taken the amount the amount is rupees 200. And in this amount, the interest is already included, that is rupees 10. So what is the basic principal, the amount which I borrowed? Can you calculate?
Ma'am, 200 minus 10.
Ma'am, I know the formula.
Ayush, your voice is breaking.
200 minus
Ma'am?
10 equals to
Formula?
principal.
Equal to 10.
Can Jishna tell me what is the formula of finding the principal?
Amount minus interest equals to principal.
Yes, amount minus. So what we are finding here? We are finding here principal because we don't have principal. So we are finding here.
Ma'am, your
We are
board is
finding. My
blur.
voice is clear to everyone.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No,
Ma'am,
first
it is-
you listen and then we come to the questions. So for finding the principal, the formula is principals is equals to amount minus interest.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Yes, can you please tell me the answer?
Ma'am, 190.
200 minus 10 is the 190 is the principal which you borrowed. The borrowed amount comes now. Am I clear now how to find?
Yes, ma'am.
Marinika, for 1 or 2
Yes,
seconds the
right,
screen
what
is
you
blur and then again automatically it will be right. So
Ma'am.
now, yes.
Ma'am, do we have to write what you have written on the board?
No, the previous sums you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this one you are not going to write. Now I will ask some examples from other children. Yes, Migdad. Migdad, can you explain one example of finding the principal amount? you have amount, you have interest. And you should know that basic thing, you should know that amount is already included interest. Okay. So make that you have amount that after some time you are going to repay some amount to the bank in which interest is already included. Can you give me one example of finding the principal?
Like amount. Okay, you mean
Yes,
example,
yes.
right? If the if the amount is 100
Okay.
and the interest is 25.
Okay. So what is the amount
So
you
if we
borrowed
minus-
from the bank exactly?
50? No, wait. 75.
Yes. So how you have done to calculate this?
By minusing the amount and the interest
Yes. So you will get what?
principal.
Very good. Can Vivan, you will give me one example of finding the principal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try.
After Vian, can I?
Yes, I will come back. Yes, Vivan.
If the amount is of rupees 40,000 and interest is of 6,000.
Okay. Interest will not be given here. Interest you need. Yes, interest is 6,000. Yes, yes, right. So you said the amount is how much? We will write here. Amount is how much?
40,000.
40,000. And what is the interest?
6,000.
Rupees 6,000. So what is the amount, principal amount?
32.
Very good. Rupees 32,000. How you calculate? 40,000
Minusing.
minus 6,000. It will be 40,000 minus 6,000 you told, or 600?
6,000, ma'am.
6,000. So 40,000 minus 6,000 will be 32,000. Subtract and tell me
Yes, ma'am.
what will be the answer.
And 2,000.
40,000 minus 6,000 will be how much?
34,000.
Yes, 34,000.
Ma'am, we have to write?
Yes, now write this. Question, find,
Ma'am, is 34,000.
yes, find the principal. Here we are finding the principal. Find the principal.
34,000.
Yes, 34,000 is the principal.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell me Samriddhi one example. Children, please start writing this in your notebook.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
I will come back. Samriddhi, yes, give me one example.
Then we have to write the first
Yes, yes. Write in
My
the notebook.
amount is rupees 35,000
Yes.
and interest is rupees 200,
Okay.
and now we will calculate it. Principal equals to amount
Yes.
plus
No.
sorry, principal equals to amount
Yes.
plus interest.
Minus interest. When we are calculating the principal, yes. Amount minus,
Minus interest.
yes.
So now we will do principal equals
Priya,
to
you are writing?
35,000 minus 200. Principal answer will be 3300. 3,300.
No, you are subtracting. You said what is your amount?
My amount is
35,000.
35,000.
35,000. When you subtract 200 or 2,000?
200, ma'am.
200. So you subtract, you also subtract in your notebook and tell me the correct answer.
33,000 it is
No,
come.
no.
No, ma'am, I will try one more time.
Subtract it and tell me. Yes, Ayush, clear. Tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, I was having the doubt that I have to write this also.
Okay. So you ask first, no problem. I will wait. You will write it later on. Tell me, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I have no doubt. My
Okay.
doubt was that. But ma'am, can I give the example of find the amount?
Yes, give me example.
Oh, ma'am, suppose I want to buy a bike.
Yes.
I don't go to the shop. I don't know the bike will come in how much rupees.
Okay.
And I go to the bank and I ask the bank, I want that bike. I don't know its amount.
Mm-hmm.
So give me that much amount and I
Okay.
will play it with the interest. So they said that amount will be 5,800
Okay.
and your interest is 800.
Okay.
Then the principal is 5,000.
Yes.
I get 5,000 from the bank.
Yes. So means you are borrowing 5,000 and then when you are paying it, you are paying 5,800, which includes the interest of rupees 800.
Yes.
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, answer is 3,000. Sorry, 3,04,000.
No, it was 35,000. And then when you subtract 200, how it is 3 lakh? It
Wait,
is
ma'am.
34,800. Please put the place value if you are confusing to read the number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So it is 34,800. Please write this in your notebook.
Ma'am, can you also say the example?
Yes, give me one example.
Ma'am, I buy a ma'am, I buy a car of 4,000
Yes.
and and interest is 1,000 2,000.
Okay. So how much amount you borrowed? How much is the principal amount?
Ma'am, 2,000.
Yes. So here we have learned when the principal is missing, we have calculated the principal. When the interest was missing, we have calculated the interest. Now, when the amount is missing, now you don't know how much you have to repay. If, for example, those who are writing, keep on writing and even keep your ears open to listen what I'm saying. Now, the condition comes that you have borrowed some amount from a bank. For example, you have borrowed 5,200, right? And you are paying interest 400 on this. So what is the total amount?
Ma'am, we have to add principal and interest will be the amount.
Yes. So I will explain this. I'm going to erase it. I hope that everyone
Principal
has done
plus
this
interest
sum.
equals to amount.
Please do
No,
it
ma'am, I have
fast.
not read.
Do it fast.
You can erase the first but not second.
This is the first one sum only.
40,000 sum, na?
This is the just example of Samriddhi.
Okay, so just 40,000 sum. Yes, you can erase.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next is you don't know about the amount, how much you have to pay to the bank after some years or after some months. So you know that you have borrowed principal rupees 5,200.
And your
And
screen is
Code is
blurred.
blurred.
1 or 2 seconds you
Screen
have
is
to
blurred.
wait. Children, 1 or 2 seconds you have to wait. After some time, it will clearly come. You have to wait. Have some patience for 1 or 2 seconds.
That's clear. Very clear.
Ma'am,
Now,
time is up.
okay, 1 minute only. Now I will take. So the amount interest is rupees 400. What is the amount you are going to pay? Can Dharya please tell me how to find the amount?
Ma'am, by adding the principal and interest.
Yes. So principal plus in. Please write down this also in your notebook and please put the question mark here and write the question. Find the amount. And again, I'll remind you, those who got the mail, please be ready. Come with your parents in the PTM. Everyone got the link also in their mails.
Also,
Only those who got the mail, they only will able to join, right? So principal is 5,200 plus interest is 400. So there, what will be the amount if you add?
Ma'am, can I say?
No.
And wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, 5,000.
Yeah. 400 plus 5200.
5,200 plus 400.
Ma'am, can I say please?
56,000.
56,000?
Ma'am, can I say please?
5600.
Yes. 5,600 or 5,600 also you can say.
Ma'am, we had to
Derek, you are writing in your notebook?
Ma'am, we have to write it in the notebook.
Please, you have to write in the notebook. Yes. And those who have done, they can leave it. We will continue few topics tomorrow also. Then we'll start new chapter tomorrow.
bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Hugs and mugs.
Bye, ma'am.
Next